This bird never moves, but sounds like a machine gun. This is the Shoebill Stork, a giant bird from East Africa with a dinosaur look and a shocking sound. At 1.2 meters tall with a 2.5 meter wingspan, it looks like a swamp king standing guard. But its true power lies in silence. It hunts by standing still for hours. This is called statue hunting, camouflaging as a living statue. Prey like eels, lungfish, even baby crocodiles are caught in a flash. Its shoe-like bill strikes with a deadly snap. But its strangle sound, bill clattering, it sounds like a machine gun or an oil engine when flirting with a mate. Even more shocking, the shoebill only raises one chick. If there are two, the weaker one is left to die. When meeting a mate, shoebills bow and perform a strange but gentle head-swaying ritual. Now you know the quietest, strangest, and deadliest bird of East Africa.